Welcome again to the Crypto Lord Nathan's channel. Today, it's been a while. In this video, we'll be talking much about why the crypto market is going down. Why is it that we see a lot of red arrows or downfall or negative sections in the markets like this? As at now, I'm talking to you as we read the current market chart in terms of when you are reading it in bubble, you can see that out of the names, Bitcoin has really fallen in a week chart about about 7% here, as you can see in all area, and then in the year about 13.2%, which the trading volume, as we can see there, it's 59.48 billion. Right now, the current price of BTC, it is really shocking, though. It is about 88.119 all right, per coin, which is really a significant effect. Things are really happening. If you can look at the market here, consider significance. We have red arrows. What is really happening in the market? I am here to bring you all the informations relating to this. Okay, so if you are new to our channel, do us a favor, smash on the subscribe button, like, comment, and write under it, I am following, or thank you for this update, or I am very interested. Let me see your response and then respond to you as fast as possible. Before this, I will tell you some important notice. Before this, you can understand that one of the main reasons why all these things are market are happening is because of trade fairs, or is because of tariffs. Tariffs are as a result of all the reasons why market goes down like this. There is a major news about our well-known Donald Trump, and then a country called Greenland. Okay, the Greenland. So in this video, I'll bring it to you. Why is this news happening, and why is it having a significant effect on the market as at now? Okay, so one of the news I want to bring you, it talks about from the Crypto Times and media. I spot it. It's very urgent and important. It speaks about crypto caught in tug of war at 2.18 billion inflow cash with tariff shock. All right, so this is one part of it that I'll be showing you. If you can see here, Trump is really insignificant. A picture of Trump is showing here. This is really talking about tariff shocks, about why Trump is really doing all these things, why this is happening. Before that, let's run into this post that was posted on the commentatory Donald Trump official page. He says that Trump dropped bombshell: tariffs on 8 European nations until they sell Greenland to America. So if you read here, you can see that a whole lot of things are here. President Donald Trump has released a powerful message on Truth Social, making it crystal clear. America has carried the burden for Europe long enough, and it is time for Denmark and its allies to step and pay off. It is a detailed on hold barriers posed. The president outlined why the United States must acquire Greenland once of threat from China and Russia. You can understand that in between of where we are talking about, the country name of Greenland, the Greenland is in between of of United States and then Russia. So United States and Russia, and then I can really have effect even as I get you the graph. As you can see that really United States don't want to leave it, because when they leave it, Russia will overtake it and have it. So I think Trump is really trying to make a major move to be able to capture it before the Russians really get it, because I have gotten an update and further update saying that there is a major oil refinery basis in the Greenland place, of which when Trump is able to get hold of it, it will increase. Understand that the market moves in tariffs. Market moves with all these things. When it goes down, it affects the market. It shocks the market really well. And then this news, as we got here from the Crypto Times and media, highlights some key important 0.17 billion crypto inflows as investors show growing confidence in digital assets global. Okay, 2, privacy coin like Monari, all these things are really dashing and moving higher. Again, let's further on move on. I want to show you a report about, you said per the report, tensions over what Greenland and a new tariff threat caused investors to pull out of what 378 million. This is a total sum of what a report you've received that investors are able to what to really move out this huge amount of it. If you look at the weekly chart here, this is a strong what this is a strong inflow of what 2.17 billion deficit last week. Okay, so late week or the last week sentiment reversal. So if you look at the weekly crypto asset flow, you can see that there is a massive inflow here, which is going to about 2,000, which is having a negative inflow. You say that the digital asset investment produced the largest weekly inflow since October 2025. The largest what weekly inflow. So the weekly inflows really depict or say something about the market. As you can see here, we are really hijacking the market. Really go inflows are increasing. When inflows are increasing, they have some errors to be looking at it. You say that the blockchain acquires only, let's skip on and go this one, flow by provider. Flows by provider. So the iShares, the company, the stocks are all here. Okay, you can see that the weekly charts, everything is really showing here. And then if you really read it, you really understand it and appreciate it, as I say. But understand that the digital inflow asset found on 2025 report is as follows. We have a downward force. As you can see here, the market inflow was really going down, but as at now we can see a massive inflow, which is really making the market go higher. I say the volume of 276 digital asset funds flow weekly report. This is what is really going on. I want us to get back to the message. So the entirely thing I want to show you here, or I want to open to see what is clearly happening in the market, is mainly because there is a lot of what things that is happening to the stocks, which is probably as a result of the tariff funds that some countries are not agreeing to the fact that is making the inflows higher. People are rejoining, people are selling. That's why sellers are in the market so higher. We are looking at a return of it, because if you look at BTC right now, we are looking at a return of BTC. So mostly all these things are as a result of BTC has a maximum trading volume of all these things. When BTC is able to go higher, then the market too mostly goes higher. But when it is not able, that is when we face challenges and troubles. Okay, so I want us to look at the BTC chart. You can see that the BTC community chart shows it here. The overall, you have about 88. If you look at this is per coin market cap, how the inflows and everything is showing here really tells us that there are a lot of things that is really going on. See how the market is really dipping. Things are really happening, but we are looking at a possible turnaround here, so that we can really appreciate or see probably there can be it. But if you look at the current rate now, there is a lot of sellers in the market, which is really having a negative effect on it. Why the 2025 cycle didn't look like the 2021. A whole lot of comments here about why the market is really going this way. You can also come here and come and vote why it is seen. You see the market go in the nice way or the wrong way. Thank you for watching. We'll always bring you update concerning the market, concerning crypto update. I'll bring you best updates relating to crypto, relating to Trump news, concerning stock, concerning all these things, and then the Greenland too as well. If indeed there is a positive news which can really hijack the market on our favor. Thank you for watching this Crypto Lord. See you in the upcoming videos. Bye for now.